So we put x4 as t. Now differentiate it. 4x cube dx is equals to dt. X cube dx is dt upon 4. X cube dx dt upon 4 sine t. 1 by 4 is constant. What is the integral of sine? Integral of sine is minus cos t plus c. Minus cos x4 upon 4 plus c. Next question is integral of e power minus x cosec square 2 into e power minus x plus 5 dx. Here we put this term as t. Now differentiate. 2 is constant. Derivative of e power minus x. E power minus x into minus 1 and derivative of constant term is 0. Dx is equals to dt. Minus 2 e minus x dx is dt. E minus x dx is dt upon minus 2. Put in the given integral. 1 upon minus 2 is constant. Cosec square t. And now what is the integral of cosec square is minus cot t. Apply the formula here. Minus 1 by 2 minus cot of t plus c. Half cot of 2 e power minus x plus 5 plus c. We put this term as t. After that differentiate it. 2 e power minus x. Derivative of e power minus x is e power minus x. And derivative of minus x is minus 1. Derivative of constant term is 0. Minus 2 e power minus x dx is dt. E power minus x dx is dt upon minus 2. Put the values in the given integral. And after that, apply the formula for integral cosec square x. Note it down. Write down the next statement. X square tan inverse x cube upon 1 plus x6 dx. Now here we substitute tan inverse x cube as t because we have derivative of this in denominator. What is the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus derivative of x cube. 1 upon 1 plus x6. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. X square upon 1 plus x6. Dx is dt upon 3. 1 upon 3 t dt. What is the integral of t is t square upon 2 plus c. Now put the value of t here. One by 6 tan inverse x cube square plus c. 1 upon 6 tan inverse x cube whole square plus c. Note it down. Now the next question is integral of square root of tan x 1 plus tan square x. We will use the identity here. 1 plus tan square x is sec square x. Put tan x as t. What is the derivative of tan x is sec square. Sec square x dx is equals to dt. Square root of t dt. T power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 plus c. Two by 3, t is tan x power 3 by 2 plus c. 2 by 3 tan x power 3 by 2 plus c. Now, next question. Integral of square root of 1 upon square root of sine cube x sine x plus alpha. First we will solve this term. Sine cube x sine x plus alpha. Apply the formula here. Sine of a plus b. Sine a plus b is equals to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Clear? Now take sine x common. Sine 4x. Here we take sine x as common. Cos alpha. Cos upon sine. Here sin x is not in the numerator, but we take sin x as common, so we will divide this. Cos x upon sin x is cot x sin alpha. Now put this term in the given integral. dx upon sin 4x को square root में लिखेंगे. We get sin square x square root of cos alpha plus cot x sin alpha. Sin square x cos alpha sin alpha. Now we put this term as t. Cos alpha plus cot x sin alpha. Differentiate it. Cos alpha is constant, derivative is 0. Sin alpha is constant. Derivative of cot is minus cosec square. X dx dt. Cosec square x dx. We can find the value of cosec square x here. Cosec square x dx is minus dt upon sin alpha. Write the given integral as 1 upon sin square cosec square x upon square root of cos alpha plus cot x sin alpha dx. Cosec square x dx is minus 1 upon sin alpha dt. And this as t. T power minus half. Integral of t power minus half. Apply power rule here. N plus 1 minus half plus 1, that is 1 by 2, minus 2 sin alpha square root of cos alpha plus cot x sin alpha plus c, minus 2 upon sin alpha cos alpha plus cot x sin alpha square root plus c. Note it down. Now next question is integral of sin 2x upon a plus b cos x whole square. Substitute the denominator a plus b cos x as t. Derivative of a is 0. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx is dt. We can write sin 2x as 2 sin x cos x sin x dx is sin x and dx, 2 is constant, is equals to 1 upon minus b. A plus b cos x as t. Find the value of cos x. Cos x is t minus a. T minus a upon b. We can find the value of cos x from here. B cos x is t minus a and cos x is t minus a upon b. First we write sin 2x as 2 sin x cos x dx upon a plus b cos x whole square. Now a plus b cos x t, so 1 upon t square. Sin x dx is dt upon minus b. 2 is constant. 1 upon minus b dt. Here Here we left with cos x. So put the value of cos x in powers of t. What we get? T minus a upon b. Now in the next step, minus 2 upon b. B constant here, b square. T upon t square minus a upon t square dt. Minus 2 upon b square. Integral of 1 upon t minus a t power minus 2 dt. Minus 2 upon b square. Integral of 1 upon t is log of t. Apply power rule here. T n plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus c. Minus 2 upon b square. Log of t is a plus b cos x. Minus minus plus a upon a plus b cos x plus c. Minus 2 upon b square. Log of a plus b cos x plus a upon a plus b cos x plus c. Note it down. Noted. Now the next question is 2 power 2 power 2 power x, 2 power 2 power x and 2 power x. Here we put this as t. Now when we differentiate it, we get derivative of this as this into this into this. Here 2 is thrice. So into log of 2 cube dx is equals to t. Now put the values. This as t and this function is dt upon log of 2 cube. Log of 2 is constant. Integral of 1 is t plus c. 2 power 2 power x upon log of 2 cube plus c. भी मैक्सिमम पावर होगी उसे हम t सपोज कर लेंगे और उसका जो डेरिवेटिव आएगा मैक्सिमम पावर फिर देन 1 पावर कम होती जाएगी। जितनी मैक्सिमम पावर्स है उतना log ऑफ दैट वैल्यू q into dx is equals to dt and this into dx is equals to dt upon log of 2q. Put this as dt upon log 2 whole cube. Log 2 is constant and integral of 1 is t. Now the next question is integral of x4 minus x power 1 by 4 upon x5. Take x4 common. 4 into 1 by 4 power will be cancelled out. x1 minus 1 upon x cube. One upon x power 4 into 1 minus 1 upon x cube power 1 by 4. Now substitute 1 minus 1 upon x cube as t. Derivative of 1 is 0. X power minus 3. Derivative of x power minus 3. Minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1. Minus 4. Minus minus plus 3 upon x4. Dx is dt. 1 upon x4